Hello. So today let us learn how to solve this question. This is the simplest question, but still, most of the students will get confused in this. They've given a redox reaction. You must choose the correct option. See, look at the options given. They're saying that MnO4 minus is reduced, Cl minus is reduced, like that. So the question is related to whether the element, the central atom, is undergoing oxidation or reduction, or is it an oxidizing agent or a reducing agent. So you can find out these things easily by taking the equation and the oxidation number. Now let us write the equation once again. 2MnO4 minus plus 10Cl minus plus 16H plus giving raised to 2Mn2 plus 5Cl2 plus 8H2O. Find the oxidation number of each central atom. Mn oxidation state will be +7, Cl minus 1, and this is +2 as it is. This is Cl2 elemental chlorine, therefore its oxidation number will be 0. Now from +7 to +2, it is gaining of electron or decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number is nothing but what? Reduction. Therefore, MnO4 minus ion undergoes reduction. As per the definition, the one which undergoes reduction becomes an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Similarly, Cl minus 1 to Cl2, that is 0. From minus 1 to 0 means there is a increase. So increase in oxidation number, we call it as oxidation. Oxidation. I'll write it here. It is oxidation. Oxidation. The one which undergoes oxidation becomes a reducing agent. Reducing agent. I think the concept is very clear now. Let us look at the option. MnO4 is reduced. That's correct. Cl minus is reduced. That's wrong. MnO4 minus act as reducing agent. No, it's an oxidizing agent. This is wrong. This is wrong. Then Cl minus 1 act as oxidizing agent. No, is undergoing oxidation, therefore it becomes reducing agent. So therefore the answer is MnO4 minus is getting reduced. Thank you.